while mechanical boards are booming among gamers and typists for their tactile feel and durability. Another market seeing a spike in demand is lacrosse gear, especially lacrosse sticks. Whether you're a beginner, seasoned player, or just looking for backyard fun, choosing the right stick is critical. This guide evaluates top picks based on build quality, shaft list number.
STX Lacrosse Stallion 50 Youth Lacrosse Complete Stick, Platinum White, 39-inch.
The STX Stallion 50 Youth Lacrosse Stick is specifically designed for beginners, especially younger players just learning the sport. With a soft mesh stringing and a shorter, more manageable length, this stick allows for easier catching and throwing. The lightweight alloy shaft and forgiving head shape make it ideal for entry-level athletes who are still developing coordination, though it's not suitable for competitive play due to its minimal offset. List number. Mini Toss Lacrosse Set, the ultimate game for the pool or beach and backyard. If you're looking for casual fun rather than competitive play, the Mini Toss Lacrosse Set is a blast. Designed for the pool, beach, or backyard, it comes with a water-skipping ball, a rubber ball, and 2 mini lacrosse sticks that are perfect for kids and adults alike. The sticks are compact and easy to handle, making them a great introduction to the sport in a low-pressure environment. List number. Franklin Sports Ambush Men's and Women's Lacrosse Sticks, Adult and Youth. The Franklin Sports Ambush Lacrosse Stick is a versatile choice for both men and women, adults and youth. It features an aluminum shaft for durability and a pro-style head that mimics higher-end sticks at a budget-friendly price. Whether you're new to the sport or looking for an affordable backup stick, the Ambush offers solid build quality and good ball control. It's suitable for backyard practice, casual games. List 4. STX Lacrosse Stallion 200 Boys Complete Stick with Mesh Pocket, Black. Geared towards advancing players, the STX Stallion 200 bridges the gap between youth and competitive play. It features inspired design elements from elite-level STX sticks, including a slightly more advanced head profile and mesh pocket for better ball retention and control. The stick is built for attack and midfield positions, offering a reliable feel without overwhelming younger players with overly stiff or heavy materials. List number 5. STX Lacrosse Stallion 50 Youth Lacrosse Complete Stick, Platinum White, 39-inch, duplicate listing. This listing is a duplicate of the first, but it's worth re-emphasizing that the STX Stallion 50 is the gold standard for youth beginner lacrosse sticks. Its design allows new players to learn basic skills with less frustration. Lightweight, affordable, and player-friendly. This stick sets the foundation for building confidence and control early in a child's lacrosse journey.